Expecting this to start first time, but give it a go. Hi guys, welcome back again. So, as you've seen from that first little clip there, grass is in desperate need of a cut, and for the life of me, can't get the trimmer going. So, I've gone out and I've bought myself a small lawnmower. This is Parker brand, and managed to pick this up on eBay, brand new, for £130. I think they're on Amazon for about 160. But it's only, like I said, it's only a small one, but for £130 worth a go. Yeah, I've only got a little area to do anyway, so decent looking collection basket there. Like I said, picked this up on eBay and it was delivered within 2 days. So, got instruction manual there and a few bits and pieces. I'll look at them in a minute. Now, the whole thing only weighs 23 kilograms, so it's not very heavy. Should be easy enough to store away, and shouldn't take up too much room in the shed. But on first glance, it looks okay. Looks like it'll do the job. So, a quick look at the instruction manual and see how to put this thing together. Right, so introduction of use. I've already had a quick read of this. It says what's in the box, description of product and parts, safety information, safety instructions, assembly is pages 13 to 16. That's what we need. Then it gives you the engine starting procedure, operation, maintenance and storing, transporting, troubleshooting, specifications and declaration of conformity, whatever that means. Right, so on the first few pages it just shows us all the parts that come with it, and quite straightforward instruction manual, very clear, and these are the pages that we want. Assembly, don't need to do the wheels, they're already on, so it's only these handlebars we need to put on and it should be good to go. Right then, so on the actual instruction manuals, this part's a bit different. I'm assuming that that's for some other sort of lawnmower, but it shows a bar going across here, which we don't have, so I'm assuming that that is for a different lawnmower. But so far, quite straightforward. which looks like we might just have to take this off when restoring it, but that doesn't matter. They literally take 5 minutes to put together. And we've got this little clip here, that's just to go on the bottom here to hold the cable in place. And stop that getting in the way. That just sits on there like that. Right, so got a little tool there for changing the spark plug, and a little bar to help turn that. So have a quick look at what to do to start it. Pre-operation, it says check oil, blah blah blah. There is no oil in them for transport, so we're going to have to fill that up. This is 4-stroke, so we've got some 4-stroke oil here, and it would be always in awkward places. And a little thing here, notice saying engine shipped without engine oil. Make sure you fill it before starting. These things are never in an easy spot. That's somewhere safe, so not to lose it. Move that out of the way. Easy. Just tilt it on its edge. Of course, managed to spill a bit. Just go get some tissue for that. Just let that settle down for a minute, and then check it with a dipstick. There's a high and a low point. After the first run, we will need more oil in it, because obviously it'll lubricate all the engine. That is just below the high, so that should be alright for now. We'll check it again before we use it again next time. Just wipe up some of this oil. Lid back on that before I knock it over. And petrol cap and tank is just on this side. Nearly £8 for 5 litres. Right then, so we've put oil in it, put fuel in it. All that's left to do now is prime it, see if it fires up, and give it a test run. What do you think, Bob? Yeah? Ready to go? Yeah? Yeah. Isn't it? And put it in a box. Good boy. Right, so there is a priming pump just here, and it says to do that 3 to 5 times before starting it cold. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can that's enough. Put that in a box. Put it in a box. You can feel the pressure building up on that straight away. Bring this through here. Right then, so got the engine all primed. Got a stop start lever here, so hold that back. Not expecting this to start first time, but give it a go. Right, well, currently got it on high setting, so the grass is quite warm. See how it goes. And even though this grass is soaking wet, this collection box is still full, and that can get emptied straight into this bed actually, and it can go in a compost heap when we're ready for it. Right then guys, so even though the grass is soaking wet, that's done quite a good job on cutting that. So give it a few days, let it dry out again, and I'll go over it again, get it as low as I can, and then I'm going to use some of this dirt here just to try and level it out a bit and reseed the whole lot. But you can see how wet the grass is. It is absolutely soaking wet, and still managed to collect it all. So that is absolutely brilliant. Right, so there we have it. That's the Parker brand 132cc lawnmower for £130. Absolutely brilliant. Money well spent. So give that a clean now, get it folded up and put it in the shed.